At Dr. Tom Holt Family Dentistry, we make sure that kids feel like they're in control of their experience. So we talk to kids. We walk them through what's going to happen. I'll show them models and really spend a lot of time to make sure that the kids understand what's going on.
To keep kids happy and comfortable during the appointment, I bribe them. If they need to take x-rays, I give them an extra toy. But I just try to be fun and ask them personal questions.
They get to come in and sit down and pick out their own show from Netflix, or we have some other movies that we have on the TV that they get to watch right there in the chair. And then when they're all done with their appointment, they get to pick out something out of our treasure chest to take home with them.
As a father of 3, I know that parenting is challenging. And there are a lot of little things that parents can do to help keep their kids' teeth healthy and their smiles strong. Number 1, set a good example. So when people are just taking care of themselves, they'll eat a certain way, but when they know they have to take care of their kids, all of a sudden they start thinking about it. So we talk about eliminating sodas or reducing sodas, limiting snacks and sugary, carbohydrate-rich foods, increasing oral hygiene, making sure that they're taking care of their own teeth, making sure that they're setting a good role model, and then also taking the time to make sure that they clean their own kids' teeth.
One of the things that we recommend is less snacks in between meals and making sure that they're helping them brush their teeth at night and not just letting them do it themselves, that they're actually visualizing their teeth.
When I talk to parents who have had anxiety, who have had a lot of dental work, it's important to educate them that they have the power and they have the potential to keep their kids from having to go through all that. Bringing children in for regular preventive appointments before they have problems is really important if we want to keep kids healthy.
I always tell parents just to make it a fun experience because it is now. It's not like it was back when even I was a kid.
We would recommend that the parents not talk too much about their fears to the children, and then once they get into our office that we'll be able to make them more comfortable and help them along the way.
It's important for kids to go in for routine dental appointments because that's where your health starts. Everything goes into your body through your mouth. And kids don't always have a way of knowing what's hurting in their mouth, so it's hard for them to explain to their parents. And they also need to learn how to brush and floss their teeth. And their parents need to be educated about it as well.
What a lot of families do is they have dinner and then they have some sort of after dinner activity. Then it's time to turn off the show, brush your teeth, and go to bed. And like I say, that's like bam, bam, bam. So why do kids want to do that? Now you've associated brushing their teeth with 2 things they don't want to do: turn off the TV and go to bed. So I recommend that patients, rather than coupling that with those activities, after dinner you say, hey, let's brush our teeth and then we can watch our show, or then we can do our story time, or then we can play our game. And now all of a sudden they're running to the bathroom because now they want to go brush their teeth because that's part of the good part of the evening.
Dr. Holt's dentistry means to our family a lot because we have 6 children, and so a lot of mouths to take care of. And we want our kids to grow up and have healthy, beautiful smiles, and he's just the perfect doctor for our family.
I like coming to the dentist because it's fun having them work on my teeth. When I'm in the dentist chair, I feel like I'm at home sitting in one of the chairs.
They have Netflix, they have music, and they have sunglasses that you can put on in case the light is too bright for you.
Dr. Holt's really nice, so you don't have to be scared of anything. You also, when you're done, you get to pick something out of the treasure chest.
I love working on kids. Having the kids throughout my day keeps me going.